Mercari is a popular online marketplace and e-commerce platform that facilitates buying and selling a wide variety of items, including clothing, electronics, home goods, collectibles, and more. Founded in Japan in 2013 by Shintaro Yamada, Mercari has expanded globally and is now available in several countries, including the United States. Here's an overview of Mercari. 1. Wide range of categories. Mercari offers a diverse selection of categories for buyers and sellers to browse and list items. Some of the popular categories include clothing and accessories, electronics, home goods, toys, collectibles, and beauty products. 2. User-friendly platform. Mercari provides a user-friendly platform that makes it easy for both buyers and sellers to list, search for, and purchase items. The interface is designed to be intuitive and accessible, with features such as image-based search and personalized recommendations. 3. Fixed-price listings. Mercari primarily uses a fixed-price listing format where sellers set a specific price for their items. Buyers can browse listings and purchase items immediately at the listed price without the need for bidding or negotiation. For seller fees, Mercari charges a flat 10% selling fee on the total sale amount, including shipping fees. The selling fee is deducted from the seller's earnings when a sale is made. Mercari also provides shipping labels for sellers to ship their sold items to buyers, with shipping costs covered by the buyer. 5. Buyer protection. Mercari offers buyer protection policies to ensure safe and secure transactions. Buyers have the option to return items within a specified period if they are not as described or if they have any issues with their purchase. Mercari provides refunds to buyers for eligible returns. 6. Shipping options. Mercari offers shipping options for sellers to ship their sold items to buyers. Sellers can choose to use Mercari's prepaid shipping labels or arrange their own shipping method. Mercari provides shipping labels for sellers to print at home and affix to their packages before dropping them off at designated shipping locations. 7. Community engagement. Mercari fosters a sense of community among its users, with features such as seller ratings and feedback, buyer reviews, and in-app messaging. Users can communicate with each other to ask questions, negotiate prices, and provide feedback on transactions. 8. Mobile app. Mercari is primarily accessed through its mobile app, available for both iOS and Android devices. The app provides a convenient and seamless shopping experience, allowing users to browse, buy, and sell items on the go. 9. Expansion and growth. Mercari has experienced significant growth and expansion since its inception, with plans to further scale its business and offerings. It continues to innovate and introduce new features to enhance the user experience and solidify its position as a leading online marketplace. Overall, Mercari provides a convenient and accessible platform for buying and selling a wide variety of items, with a focus on simplicity, transparency, and community engagement. With its user-friendly interface and buyer protection policies, Mercari has become a popular choice for individuals looking to declutter their homes, find unique items, and connect with others in the online marketplace. Want to learn more? Like and subscribe.